A 28-year-old woman recently engaged to my boyfriend of 7 years, Liam, who's 30. He proposed during a surprise beach trip, and it was everything I'd ever dreamed of. A sunset, the sound of waves, and Liam down on one knee with the most beautiful ring I'd ever seen. It was perfect, and I was over the moon. However, if you knew my family, you'd know nothing in my life can ever stay uncomplicated. My younger sister, Emma, who's 26, has always been the center of attention. She's the golden child of the family, and my parents have always coddled her, no matter what. If she messed up, they had excuses ready. If I succeeded, they found a way to downplay it in comparison to her. Emma thrives on this dynamic, and it's been like this for as long as I can remember. When I called to share the news of my engagement, my mom was thrilled, well, for about 2 seconds. Then she asked if Emma knew yet. My dad chimed in to remind me not to make Emma feel left out, which was bizarre because this was my engagement, not some group activity. It was a red flag.